Welcome to my channel Kavita Edusphere Vedic Maths Trick. Today's topic Ekadikena Purvena. Ekadikena Purvena. Today's topic. Ekadikena means one more than. Purvena means previous one. So, Ekadikena Purvena means one more than previous one. That is the definition of Ekadikena Purvena. Symbol. We place a dot over the digit that is being increased. N equals to n plus 1. To perform additions using the Ekadikena Purvena means one more than the previous one. What is Ekadikena Purvena of 33? Ekadikena Purvena definition. Ekadikena Purvena means one more than the previous one. Here the Purvena means previous. Digit is in the tens place. So when we add 1 to 33 we get 34. So the result is 34. Ekadikena Purvena of 33 is 34. What is the Ekadikena Purvena? Add 1 more than the previous number. In addition, the sutra mainly used when carry is generated. Exactly add 1 to the previous number. What is the Ekadikena Purvena of 47? Add 1 to 47. 47 plus 1 equals to 48. Or another way, Ekadikena Purvena of 47. Next 47 next number is 48. Then the result is 48. Ekadikena Purvena means simply after number. Do the following additions using Ekadikena Purvena. 12 plus 1, 13. 16 plus 1, 17. 24 plus 1, 25. 39 plus 1, 40. 9 plus 1, 10. So, Ekadikena Purvena of 12 is 13. Next number. Ekadikena Purvena of 16 is the next number 17. Ekadikena Purvena of 24 is 25. Ekadikena Purvena of 39 is 40. Ekadikena Purvena of 9 is 10.